up everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will perform the real world test, the acceleration of this vehicle, what's the range, how quiet is that vehicle while driving on the highway. Then I try to test it for you. If you are new to the channel, make sure you will subscribe, and without further ado, let's get started. The price of EV80 model starts in Norway from 354,000 Norwegian crowns. And then you have EV60 model with 58 kWh battery for 387,000 Norwegian crowns. Then you have EV80 with 77 kWh battery, which costs 455,000 Norwegian crowns, plus additions and extras if you want to buy. With all extra features, I have calculated that this model which I am testing today might cost around 600,000 Norwegian crowns. So this vehicle starts from 0 to 100 km per hour within 8.6 seconds. This is real wheel drive vehicle and the top speed is 160 km per hour, 99 miles per hour. We have 204 horsepower and 310 Newton meters of torque. Okay, now we are going to perform acceleration test and we are choosing sport mode. 3, 2, 1, go! Three, two, one, go! As you can see on the graph, Skoda is not the quickest rear-wheel drive electric vehicle among the competition. Okay, let's make a range test. To do that, we are going to choose option Eco, okay, and then we need to reset the statistics data. So at least you see how much vehicle used so far. Average speed 21 km per hour, 90.1 kWh per 100 km since charge. I was testing the acceleration and that's the figure. Long term. Then for 6,540 kilometers with average 42 kilometers per hour, people have tested and they have 20 kWh per 100 kilometers. But we will reset these ones. So far we did 46 kilometers and average energy consumption is very low, 16.3 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers. That means that we should do above 400 kilometers of range. We have here optional 21-inch alloy wheels, 235/45 tire profile, and they are gorgeous. I like how they look like. They look modern, sporty, it's like turbine style, and they fit to this vehicle perfectly. Do you agree with me? Would you go for the biggest one? Even if you remember I used to say the bigger rims, the smaller range, but come on, how it look like. Okay guys, the range test is over almost. We did 100 kilometers and I think Skoda nailed it down. So as you can see on the screen, we did 100 kilometers within 1 hour 11 minutes and with average speed 85 kilometers per hour, and we got 15.9 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers. So this is extremely good, very well done, very efficient. The charging port is on the right side of the vehicle, passenger side, and on the back. And you have Type 2 and CCS. For this size battery, you would need to get yourself a home charger in order to get acceptable charging time. Using a rapid charger, 125 watts, you will spend only 37 minutes to charge the battery up to 80%. Big thanks to Skoda Nordlie Auto Moss for lending me this vehicle. Thanks to them I could perform a real-world test and share the results, experience with you guys. $90. $100. $110. So, answering the question for you, is this car comfortable to drive for the long distances? Well, I could drive only 100 kilometers to test the range. So, answering this question from my perspective, yes, it is very comfy, and I could find very comfortable position behind the steering wheel. The seats are comfy and you can find plenty of adjustments to the seat and also to the steering wheel. But I see in this price range the adjustment to the steering wheel is manual, but it's also alright as long as we can change the position of the steering wheel and the steering column. This head-up display or augmented reality head-up display, it's super cool, it's super nice to have and very useful. I do recommend to go for it. I don't know if there are a version without it. When we talk about the best thing which this vehicle has is driving comfort. It's very good. Car is very convenient to drive, really. It's pretty decent. You have this soft material in the places you really need it. The steering wheel is decent, however a little bit firm in touch. It's comfortable to maneuver. Then the screen, cool. It's really nice and the graphic is very also well done. The room inside, it's very spacious vehicle and very practical. You have big trunk, really big trunk, like 585 liters. Very well done, Skoda. And the material of the seats, amazing. Almost only positive things about this vehicle in terms of price versus performance. Now I'm just wondering what I could complain about. So maybe I wish to have more soft steering wheel. What we can complain about? Well, the performance of this vehicle is not amazing. It's 8.6 seconds to 100, but it's still pretty alright because you have this instant torque due to the electric motor. I don't know if I mentioned, but I love design, interior and also exterior. It's very sporty. You have this spoiler in front, bottom and on the back as well. This is vehicle to go for, really. But of course I do understand there are people which might not agree with me, so then please let me know in the comments down below what is your opinion about it. I am very interested. And now to our conclusion and summary. I don't see a reason why you should not go for Skoda Enyaq. This is excellent vehicle with amazing design, very well looking, very well done with decent build quality, decent performance and excellent price range. Just one notice from my side: if you're going for extras, if you want to additional equipment, be careful what you choose, because then Skoda might get pricey. And that being said, thank you very much for watching, and please consider supporting me on Patreon, link in the description down below, and see you in the next video.